Okay, everyone, this is a Duplo, where does it say? Duplo 590, I believe it is. The Duplo d-590 paper folding machine. And we just picked this up. This was taken out of everyday use by a church organization, and they upgraded to a new machine, so we got this one. We've been experimenting a little bit. We reset the counter, so we've already done 15 folds, as you can see right there. There's a number of different settings. We've tried the single and the double parallel. We're not gonna pretend that we know everything about this machine, but we're gonna give you a quick demonstration and show you that that it does indeed work. Now you can see that the bulk of those 15 were basically they call it a single fold, which takes a letter sheet and basically folds it in half. And then the last 3 were they call that a double parallel. So you have those right there. The folds all look nice and clean. Paper doesn't appear to be damaged in any way. So we're going to go ahead and turn it back on and give you another quick demonstration. So you set your paper size here. You set your paper fold here. This, we assume, is the speed of the machine. I don't know if you're having problems, you slow it down or whatever the case may be, but it was set on max. We backed it off just a little bit, and that's where we're going to leave it. The counter, as you've seen, we've already reset. We're going to go ahead and reset it again, show you that that works. Best we can tell, this button this would be like in the neutral position. So if you did 30 folds in one style and you wanted to change it, you would put this back to neutral and then make your change on the fold, and then you would engage it that way to go ahead and make some folds. So it's still in the double parallel. We'll go ahead and fold a couple that way. Also, best we could tell, you have to press and hold this button to get the folds, and then release it when you're done, and then press the stop button here to go ahead and move on to a different fold. So let's see what happens. Okay, so that just kicked out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 right there, which matches our counter. That's the double parallel, and that's exactly what we got right there. So we press stop, we put that back in neutral. I'm going to change it back to single. You can see that it automatically adjusts. Now each one of these stops is adjustable manually. In case your fold isn't perfect, you can make some minor adjustments. We got a little bit of a visible edge there. I'm assuming you can go in and adjust those stops manually to compensate for that one way or the other. But we're set on single. We're going to keep the speed the same. We're still on letter. We're going to put that back in gear and go ahead and run some more. Voila. So we got 4 right there. Nice half folds, nice and clean. Another 4 on the counter, 10 total. So that's it. It's a nice clean machine. We're going to dust it off and get it ready. Obviously, this is a large piece of equipment, so we have to include some cost for that shipping. It won't be cheap. If you want to pick it up locally, we can definitely save you some money that way. Also, if you want to buy it from us directly, we can save you some money that way as well. So, as always, thanks for watching another video from Rising Phoenix Antiques and Estate Sales in Amory, Wisconsin. And if you go to eBay and don't see this for sale, it's because some other lucky buyer got to it first.